Hey guys, so I was told to start training Milo, start teaching Milo how to. I was told to start teaching Milo how to sit, um, how to tell him to sit, how to tell him to stand, how to tell him to understand his name, talk to him, and train him. So I want to start today, my first trial. But they said I should do it with food, and I don't have his food right now. I'm still so scared of him. But I think I just have to do it for myself. Milo, Milo, sit, sit. Biscuit. Milo, up, 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 up. I was told I should shout at him. Up, up. Milo, come back here. Come here. Hey, sorry, my Lord Jesus. Sorry. Okay. Up. Look at me. Up. Woo! Up! Yay! He tried. Oh my goodness. My boy, my baby. I'm so proud of you, baby. I'm so proud of you, Oh, my baby. Oh, I'm proud of you. Oh, yeah, sit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, wait. Calm down. Wait. Oh, Jesus. I don't want to play with you. I'm teaching you work. My baby. Yeah, it's okay. Milo! Sit! That's good. Up! Milo! Up! Up! Are you serious? Up! Oh, yeah.